How to delete your queue on Spotify. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can delete your queues on Spotify. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open the Spotify application. You can go to your library or go to the dashboard and see all of the playlists that are available on your account, and after that you can go to the playlist and select it. After you've opened the playlist, there are multiple options available, like just playing it. There are 3 dots on the right which you can choose in order to delete them from your list. But in order to remove them from the queue, simply long tap on it and then you'll be able to see the option to either add them from the queue or remove it. You can also see the horizontal lines on the right side which you can use in order to reorder the queue itself. And then if you want to remove it, you can simply tap on the remove option. And if you want to clear the queue completely, you can select the clear queue option available on the top right corner. And there you go. It is as simple as that to delete your queue on Spotify. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.